na ang pinili ng Diyos, binabanal. Ang pinili ng Diyos, pinapasakdal ng Diyos. Hindi, Pastor, paano kung basta maglingkod lang kami at magpuri sa Panginoon? No! No! Pinapasakdal ka muna that these hands are cleansed by God. That the Lord whom He called, He foreknew, He also justified, and He also sanctified. Mga kapatid, Pastor, what if I just decided to call upon the name of the Lord out of nowhere? Can I be a living stone? You see, in the church, it is not yourself. You added yourself to the church. No. The Bible says that in the book of Acts chapter 2 verse 47, and the Lord added to their number daily. Ang Diyos ang naglalagay. Oh? Idinaragdag ng Panginoon. Sabihin mo sa iyong katabi, dinagdag ka ng Diyos. God added you. Brother Yandy, say to the one next to you, say, God added you. God, God added you. You're not just here because, my inclination as a godly person brings me to church. No, dinagdag ka ng Diyos. Nasa loob ng iglesia, yung pagpupuri ng mga banal, yung paglilingkod ng mga banal, ay tinatanggap ng Diyos. Yung isang pamangkin ko, sabi sa akin nung isang araw, na bago ka gumawa ng worship album, mag-church ka muna. Na bago ka gumawa ng isang bagay sa Panginoon, subukan mo pumunta muna sa church. Mapakinggan ang salita ng Diyos. Because goodness, as goodness is, good things, beautiful things, if it's not done for God, then it's just beautiful. It's not something that may be glorifying God. As a matter of fact, some people does this to glorify themselves. Some people just go, oh, yeah, I just want to do this, but I don't want to be part of the church. Paano yun? Yung minahal ng Diyos. Yung ikakasal kay Kristo. Yung pinagbigyan ng buhay ni Kristo para sa iglesia. Hindi ka kasama. Mga kapatid, kung may binubuo, may pinapalakas, may pinapaganda, may ibinabalik, may kinukumpleto ang Diyos, ay walang iba kung hindi ang iglesia ni Kristo.